The group, led by its national leader, Chief Chido Obidiegwu, said the dream of Igbo presidency is hinged on absolute support to the present administration, noting that it has embarked on a massive campaign to convince Ndi Igbo to re-elect the president and give the region a chance to national relevance. Highlighting the place of the region before the emergence of the President Muhammadu Buhari-led administration, the group argued that the southeast region of the country has been shortchanged in national politics and said the achievements of the present regime in vast areas of governance has shown its consciousness to the plight of the nation.
President, we are an independent organization that believe in Igbo presidency in the next 4 years. That is my response to that. That could be other interests, but more than any other interest that I have, and those of us in one Nigeria have, is achieving Igbo presidency faster. And as far as we are concerned, the safest, the fastest route to Igbo presidency as we speak today is affiliation and working assiduously, dedicatedly, vigorously. Social intervention platforms have been enunciated to touch the lives of the ordinary citizens of Nigeria and provide employment for the youth of Nigeria via the Empower School Feeding Program, monthly equipment for indigent people, parents club refund, bill for state governments, and borrowers fund, Bank of Agriculture and industry loans to MSMEs, traders money, and a host of others. And 3 heavy chairs to the President, Commander-in-Chief of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, President Muhammadu Buhari, GCFR,
It added that it was already on course in the execution of several plans of action in the 1,695 local government areas and 15 senatorial districts in the zone and parts of Delta and River States, calling for strong backing from all quarters to ensure resounding victory in 2019.